Hi guys, welcome to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome! And I am Kenya, and today I am so excited because I'm teaming up with my sister Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis to bring to you guys the Summer 2020 Coffee and Beverage Bar collaboration. So let's jump right in. So I've cleared my coffee bar of all the items that were there previously, and now we'll be using these items to decorate this space for the summer. So I'm showing you guys, this is actually a placemat, a paper placemat that I got from Hobby Lobby after the fall season last year, and I'm using that as a base to ground my coffee pot. And now for the two-tiered tray that I always like to use, I'm just showing you guys the items that we'll use to fill it. So this is just one of those little jars from the Dollar Tree, and I have it filled with several different types of tea that I picked up from my local grocery store. And here we have in one of those same jars some Snapple tea pods. So these can be used in my Keurig. So I like sometimes to have the packets of tea or the pods of tea. So it just depends on what I'm doing for the day. So now for the top of the tray, I am going to use these lemon glasses that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year during the summer. And I was so super excited to find these guys. And so yeah, I'll be using them this year. Also, just in case if you were wondering, Dollar Tree does have the lemon dish sets again this year in the stores. I did see them recently. So if you want them, you want to run on out and grab them while staying safe, of course. And here I'm using a little wood art piece that I got from Walmart last year, and it says "We're blessed," and it has a little jute twine to hang it from, but we're just going to prop it in the back. And guys, I can clearly see that you can't see it, but I really just wanted to add a little backdrop to the display. So I'm just going to add back my little stirrers that I like to use when I make my coffee. And here I'm using this really cute little basket that I picked up from Target One Spot last year, and I'm just going to fill it with a little bit of greenery. That's just a boxwood sprig that I picked up from Walmart. And here's a closer look of everything, and I've decided to go ahead and push this little yellow basket with the boxwood towards the back, so that I'll have a little space up front to add something else. So I'm using a coffee cup that I have. This is one of our smaller, like maybe a teacup, and I'm just going to place some real lemons inside the little teacup just to add, you know, a natural element there. Now I'm going to add these little chickens that I picked up from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and I put it in the background just to fill in some of that negative space in the background. So there's one larger one and one smaller one, as you can see there, and they're not the star of the show, but we can see them. So at the top there, I've already added in some boxwood, so I'm adding a few sprigs more, as well as a few pieces of the Astrameria plant that I have. I just took a few little pieces off so that I can fill it in the greenery to give a little yellow touch there also. And here's a close-up look of the top of the shelf, and I think it looks so very pretty with those cups and the yellow and green there. So now we're going to add one of our coffee mugs from the Dollar Tree with the lemon pattern, and this is what's inspired this look this season. So I'm excited to use these items. So here I have a 2-tiered shelf that I picked up from Walmart a couple of weeks ago when I was there doing some grocery shopping, and they had it on sale, and I think it was $10. And so I was happy to get this 2-tiered shelf. I do like the wood on top. I think that's really pretty. So before we start decorating the shelf, I am going to use this milk glass vase along with this little bushel of yellow flowers that I picked up from Walmart to put in the background there, again, just to fill in some negative space. And now I'm going to use the other coffee mugs to just line them on the bottom of the shelf so that if any of my guests would like to have coffee or tea, they can simply grab a mug there from the bottom really easily and help themselves. Now let's add a little bit of greenery, and so I'm just going to bend it a little bit to nestle it in between the coffee cups. And so yeah, we'll just kind of play around with this a bit to get it right into place exactly how I like it. And now that the greenery is in place, I'm using some real lemons here for my display as well. I think they look really cute next to the coffee cups, and so I was really happy that I actually had lemons in my refrigerator today. So we'll just play around with that for a bit until I get it situated the way I like as well. And here I have this cute little green truck that I picked up from Target in their one spot section a couple of years ago, around Christmas time actually. And I also put some little sweetener packets there in the back of the truck, so they're going to act as like our sugar holder. So, but you know, I thought, let me move the truck for a second so that I can add in some other elements, and that will be the last piece that I add. So again, here are the bowls that match the cups that I got there from the Dollar Tree. And guys, I don't know how well the camera's doing it justice, but if you have seen these plates and bowl sets from the Dollar Tree with the lemon pattern on it, then you know how beautiful they really are in person. And so I just have my bowl filled with coffee creamers. That's my favorite flavor, Caramel Macchiato. So now we're going to go ahead and add the little truck back in. Now that we have our coffee creamers in place, I just wanted to make sure everything was going to fit properly. You guys have seen me use those little trays quite often in my displays. I picked them up from the Target one spot, and I'm also using this lemon meringue candle that I got from the Dollar Tree actually last year. And guys, it's a little candle in a little mason jar, but it smells so good. It smells really, really nice. So I will probably finish it up this year because I've already started using that one from last year. But I wanted to have a little pop of color in that back corner there since we have the green truck, and so that's why I'm adding in the yellow candle. Now I have just a few more sprigs of greenery that I'm going to fill in at the bottom of the tray, just to my liking. You can add as many or as few florals as you like. Now here is my ribbon. You guys have seen this ribbon in the past. I love it. I think it's so pretty, black and white stripes, and so I just attached it onto the tray there at the top, as you can see, and that completes our look. We did two-tiered trays for this coffee beverage bar station, and I think they look absolutely amazing. Leave me comments down below to let me know what you think. And also, if you're using lemons this year in your summer decor. I have to say, I know they are very popular. I've seen lots of people using them this year, and I'm just so in love with it. I also love how the little paper placemat that I'm using to ground the coffee bar really acts as a focal point and bring the two looks on either side together. So I think this one item marries the entire look, and I'm really pleased with the outcome. And I do like seeing the little chickens there in the background. So yeah, I'm really happy with how everything came together. So as I mentioned before, this video is in collaboration with my sister Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. So be sure to go over and visit her channel and show her some love. Let her know that I sent you. And also be sure to watch the playlist of all the participants so that you guys can get lots of ideas and inspiration on how to decorate your coffee bar for the summer. If you are new here from one of the other channels, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.